yeah, so number 4. Another thing about me is I'm on time, so I will never be late unless something came up. So like, I sometimes procrastinate, so that would also be number 4. Goes on the time, you know. Number 5, I graduated from high school. Hey long distance sisters, make sure to watch next Sunday for the new challenge, which I will be posting the challenge and doing it to make sure you guys know how to do the next challenge. The next challenge will be easy, you know, I'm going to start off easy, work our way up. I can't wait to see you guys' intro video. I can't wait, you guys are amazing, I love you guys. No, I can't take one more step towards you, 'cause all that's waiting is regret. Don't you know